Welcome back to Channel Auto Drive Hub as your go-to destination for the latest car and bike reviews, updates, comparisons, and auto industry news. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500 has made its global entry with a strong presence and a fresh identity, targeting riders who want a lightweight, stylish, and performance-focused sport bike. This bike slots in perfectly between beginner-friendly and intermediate levels, offering just the right balance of power and control. Kawasaki has built this machine with an eye toward everyday usability while keeping the sporty DNA that the Ninja name is known for. Powering the Ninja 500 is a newly developed 451cc parallel twin engine. It's an upgrade over the outgoing Ninja 400, offering improved torque and better mid-range performance. This makes it more versatile, especially for those who use their bikes both for spirited weekend rides and daily commutes. The power delivery is smooth and linear, making it approachable for newer riders yet still exciting enough for experienced ones. The engine is mated to a 6-speed gearbox that shifts cleanly and pairs well with Kawasaki's assistant slipper clutch, which helps reduce hand fatigue and rear wheel hop during aggressive downshifting. In terms of design, the 2025 Ninja 500 stays true to Kawasaki's sharp and aggressive styling. It features bold fairings with aerodynamic contours, a twin LED headlamp setup, and a sleek tail section that gives it a proper supersport look. The bodywork is not just for show, it helps manage airflow and improves high-speed stability. The new paint schemes and graphics add to its visual appeal, especially for younger buyers who want something stylish and eye-catching. Ergonomically, Kawasaki has designed the Ninja 500 to suit a wide range of riders. The seating posture is slightly leaned forward but not overly aggressive, striking a comfortable balance for both city riding and highway touring. The seat height is set at a manageable level, making it easy for most riders to plant their feet on the ground at stops. The bike's lightweight chassis contributes to its agility, making it nimble in urban traffic and confidence-inspiring on twisty roads. The Ninja 500 also comes with a modern LCD display that shows vital information like speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and more. Kawasaki has also equipped this model with smartphone connectivity through their Radiology app, allowing riders to access ride logs, maintenance updates, and notifications. While it may not have a full-color TFT display like some of its competitors, the provided setup is functional, clear, and easy to read even under sunlight. On the suspension front, the Ninja 500 uses a telescopic front fork and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. This setup is tuned to offer a comfortable ride while still maintaining composure during quick direction changes. It's not a track-oriented setup but serves very well for road use, especially for those who want a mix of comfort and performance. The braking system includes a single disc at both ends with dual-channel ABS for added safety. The brakes offer decent bite and feedback, and ABS intervention is smooth and non-intrusive, which will boost confidence in slippery conditions. Tire sizes are conventional for this segment and offer a good balance between grip and durability. The 17-inch wheels are shod with sport touring rubber that complements the bike's performance characteristics. Whether you're leaning into corners or cruising along highways, the tires provide adequate confidence and feedback. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Ninja 500. Thanks to the updated engine and lightweight build, it delivers impressive mileage for a bike in its class. This makes it a practical option for daily commuting without compromising on weekend fun. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its refined ride quality and quiet, smooth engine. Vibration levels are minimal, even at higher revs, making long rides more enjoyable. The exhaust note has a sporty growl without being too loud, maintaining a balance between aggression and civility. Riders who enjoy customizing their machines will appreciate the availability of Kawasaki's accessory options, including a taller windscreen, frame sliders, tank pads, and more. In terms of competition, the Ninja 500 goes up against the likes of the Yamaha R3, KTM RC390, and the Honda CBR 500R. Compared to these, the Ninja 500 offers a compelling package with slightly more engine displacement, refined road manners, and Kawasaki's strong brand value. It may not be the outright sharpest on the track, but for real-world riding, it strikes an excellent balance. Whether you're a new rider looking for your first sport bike or someone upgrading from a smaller machine, the Ninja 500 is worth considering. Its approachable performance, sharp looks, and daily usability make it one of the most versatile options in the segment. Maintenance-wise, Kawasaki has kept things simple and affordable. Routine service intervals are clearly defined, and parts availability is generally good in most regions. Combined with a reputation for reliability, the Ninja 500 should serve well as a long-term companion. Another important aspect is its suitability for riding schools and training centers due to its predictable power delivery and forgiving nature. It's also likely to become a favorite for those who want a stylish commuter that can also do weekend rides or even light touring. The 2025 Ninja 500 shows how Kawasaki is adapting to rider expectations without losing the essence of what makes the Ninja lineup special. It's a bike that respects tradition while embracing modern features and technology. Overall, it's a strong step forward from the Ninja 400 and offers a lot of motorcycle for its price point. You get sporty design, reliable performance, and a touch of modern tech, all wrapped in a lightweight and friendly package. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated with the latest automobile reviews, launches, and comparisons, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Auto Drive HUB community.